Hello, I am Mark Cabalquinto from the Philippines, and I am the owner of Local Rent Marketplace. I just want to share to you my personal feedback about Fatbit Technologies. By the way, I am not a web developer and I don't have technical knowledge on how to create a website or platform for my rental business. I searched online for a software provider and I found Fatbit Technologies. I purchased YouRent from Fatbit as my rental business platform. I preferred their software because I find it easier to manage. The Fatbit team provided me reliable support from the start of the development, and the team was very helpful in fixing any issues I encountered. I highly recommended Fatbit Technologies as software provider. I really appreciate the technical capabilities and commitment of the team into the project, and I hope our partnership will continue to grow stronger and Local Rents will become even more robust and efficient for our users. Thank you once again for your continued support. I look forward to a more refined support experience from Fatbit. Thank you very much.